Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC Diagnostic Trouble Code P2797 pertains specifically to the performance of the auxiliary transmission fluid pump in Honda Accord models from 2017 through 2023. This code is indicative of an electrical circuit issue related to the auxiliary transmission fluid pump, which cannot stem from any mechanical failures within the transmission itself. The auxiliary transmission fluid pump is vital for ensuring proper lubrication and cooling of the transmission components, helping to prevent overheating and facilitating smooth shifting. Its location is typically within the transmission assembly, directly impacting the operation of the continuously variable transmission, CVT. The Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is an essential tool for evaluating this DTC. It is used for accessing the vehicle's computer systems and pinpointing faults accurately. Understanding the implications of this DTC can guide technicians in both diagnosing and addressing potential issues effectively. The P2797 error indicates a specific problem with the auxiliary transmission fluid pump's performance in Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The auxiliary transmission fluid pump is responsible for circulating the transmission fluid, which provides lubrication and cooling to ensure optimal function of the continuously variable transmission, CVT. Its positioning is crucial, as it is integrated within the transmission assembly, affecting its performance directly. The issue is primarily electrical in nature, which means that mechanical faults are unlikely to be the root cause. Troubleshooting focuses on the electrical connections, as a malfunction here can lead to inadequate fluid circulation, resulting in poor transmission performance. The Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, plays a significant role in diagnosing this error by allowing technicians to retrieve detailed diagnostic data. When investigating the possible causes of DTC P2797, several components should be considered. Primarily, electrical circuit problems are at the forefront, as the DTC suggests an issue that cannot stem from mechanical failures. Damaged connectors or wiring can lead to poor electrical connections or complete circuit failures, drastically affecting the pump's performance. Additionally, a faulty auxiliary transmission fluid pump may also contribute to this DTC being triggered. Properly functioning connectors and wiring are critical to ensure that the pump receives the necessary signals and power to operate efficiently. All of these elements should be carefully examined during the troubleshooting process to identify the underlying issue connected to this DTC. Symptoms associated with DTC P2797 can manifest in various ways. One common symptom is poor transmission performance, which can include delayed shifting, slipping, or a noticeable decrease in overall drivability. Drivers may also hear unusual noises coming from the transmission area, which can indicate that the auxiliary fluid pump is not functioning as intended. Furthermore, the DTC indicator will likely illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue. Additionally, other transmission-related symptoms may accompany this DTC, including overheating, which can lead to more severe transmission damage if not addressed promptly. Recognizing these symptoms can help in making the necessary repairs and maintaining the vehicle's performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2797 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode, which powers up the vehicle's electronic systems without starting the engine. This step is critical as it allows access to the PGM-FI, Programmed Fuel Injection System, where diagnostic trouble codes can be retrieved. Once in on mode, the technician should use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to scan for any confirmed or pending DTCs related to the PGM-FI system. The HDS is an essential tool for diagnosing various components of the vehicle, providing detailed information on diagnostic trouble codes. Confirming if DTC P0A94, a related code, is indicated is vital at this stage, as it may guide the technician to another area for further investigation. If the P0A94 DTC is not present, the technician will proceed to the next verification step. In the second troubleshooting step, the technician will select the electrical oil pump activation function from the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This function allows the operator to activate the auxiliary transmission fluid pump directly, which is critical for testing its actual performance in real time. The technician must drive the auxiliary transmission fluid pump for at least 5 seconds to ensure that it is functioning appropriately under operational conditions. After this activation period, it is necessary to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs, once again using the HDS. If DTC P2797 remains indicated, it confirms that the performance issue persists, indicating that the auxiliary transmission fluid pump likely requires replacement. Conversely, if the DTC is not present, it could point to an intermittent failure, warranting further investigation into potential poor connections or loose terminals between the pump and the TCM, transmission control module. After completing the necessary repairs, the final verification step involves a thorough test drive of the vehicle. This is essential to ensure that the auxiliary transmission fluid pump functions properly in real-world driving conditions. During this test drive, the technician should pay close attention to the overall transmission performance. Indicators such as smooth shifting and absence of unusual noises will help confirm that the repair has effectively resolved the initial issue linked to DTC P2797. Additionally, after the test drive, the technician must again use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any new or unresolved DTCs. The absence of new or recurring trouble codes will indicate a successful repair and restoration of normal performance, providing the driver with the assurance of reliability. Preventive maintenance is key to ensuring long-term reliability and performance of the auxiliary transmission fluid pump in Honda Accord models. Regular inspections of the wiring and connectors associated with the fluid pump should be performed to detect any signs of wear, corrosion, or looseness that could impact functionality. Keeping these connectors clean and secure can help prevent electrical failures that might trigger DTC P2797 in the future. It is also advisable to verify the operational status of the auxiliary transmission fluid pump periodically to ensure it is functioning as intended, as any early signs of failure can be addressed before they escalate. Routine maintenance checks help in identifying potential issues before they lead to more significant problems, thus minimizing unexpected repair costs and downtime. In summary, Diagnostic Trouble Code P2797 indicates a performance issue with the auxiliary transmission fluid pump in Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The primary cause is electrical circuit problems rather than mechanical faults within the transmission, directing technicians towards focused troubleshooting. Careful steps, including using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to assess the pump's operational status and correlate any DTCs, can aid in efficiently diagnosing and rectifying the problem. Regular preventive maintenance checks on electrical systems are crucial to prevent future occurrences of DTC P2797. Ultimately, understanding the intricacies of this code and its implications helps vehicle owners maintain their vehicle's performance and reliability while minimizing unexpected repair costs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.